Apple today announced the opening of a new office in Hyderabad that will focus on development of its Maps product. The company says that this investment will accelerate Maps development and create up to 4,000 jobs in the country. Talking about this, Apple CEO Tim Cook said in a press statement, and I quote, "Apple is focused on making the best products and services in the world, and we are very thrilled to open our new office in Hyderabad, which will focus on Maps development. The talent here in the local area is incredible, and we are looking forward to expanding our relationships and introducing more universities and partners to our platforms as we scale our operations." In India, Apple Maps has remained a neglected feature and doesn't offer the kind of options that Apple Maps does in the US, Europe and China. In these countries, Apple Maps includes features like 3D views, public transit system, options for shopping, coffee, restaurants, etc. But now, with a new dedicated development office for Maps in India, it looks like Apple plans to change all of this. The new facility in Hyderabad, located on the Wave Rock campus, will provide a world-class LEED certified home for the expanding of Maps team. Apple CEO Tim Cook's India visit has seen two top announcements from the company. Apple announced that it will open a new iOS app development center in Bengaluru to encourage startups, iOS app developers in India and provide them with the required guidance. Later this week, Tim Cook is expected to meet India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and discuss the way forward for this relationship. Keep watching this space as we'll be back with more updates.
যারা কত এই মুহূর্তে প্রেজেন্সে কিন্তু যাদের প্রেজেন্সে আজকে এই বিপুল জয় এবং 2/3 মেজরিটির উপর আসন পাওয়া এককভাবে লড়ে 49 বছরের মধ্যে এককভাবে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস একা লড়েছে বাংলায়।